Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nisi, the beauty icon. I'm inviting you guys into my home. Stay tuned. Throw this back out. Is our baby. We're gonna get ready to put her on and see what it look like. So I use these guys right here and I sew them to my unit. So here we go, guys. I am so excited. I get to use my unit, my homemade unit. And yes, my nails are had because I'm not able to go to the nail salon, so I cut them off, bit them off, and I'm just gonna work with the old naturals. So y'all excuse my nails because I know they're not up to par, but here we go. The big test. Trying to get it on there snug, as snug as I can get it. Yes. What y'all think? It's so fun and messy. I love it. So I'm gonna take some shots so y'all can see the overall look, but I'm really feeling this. And it feels so good. It feels secure. See? The colors are funky, fabulous. I do want to put a little bit more curl in it. Let's go a little curlier. Just right up in here. Yes. Quick, simple, easy, low maintenance. I just put my cap on, y'all. I'm going out. Ain't going nowhere. I'm stuck in the house. What time is it, y'all? 9:05 p.m. And I just did a full face tutorial along with this unit, and I'm finna put on some clothes and take some pictures. And once I do that, I'm taking this off. So That's what you do when you're bored. You do whatever. So I hope you guys enjoyed my playful video. I had so much fun doing this. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit your post notification buttons for more updates. I appreciate you guys so much. You guys be blessed and always remember, Jesus loves you.